the outside shooting of May Kawayan started coming through. It opened up that space. Good steal here by Sarmiento.
Sarmiento, bump basket bonus for Sarmiento. Go down low. Josh Diab.
Nothing in there.
Josh attacks. Josh foot speed is good for Josh Diab. So 17 on the shot clock. Ajim goes to Sean. Balik agad kay Ajim. Ajim's drive. Ajim stops, pops, and drops for Ajim Miranda. Andre still defended well. Andre Akop with a tough finish.
Bucket inside the paint this quarter. Turnover.
Pass is too low. Herald, well defended from behind, but the foul will be called.
You know, he played it on home floor and na-impress talaga yung kanyang mga fans.
Apolonio triple is good, extending the lead back to 9 for the Gems.
How are they gonna create and generate shots? But totally forgot about Jason.
Herald on a drive, bump basket bonus for Herald Benedictos. Demetrio goes middle to Apolonio. Jason attacks. Jason favored. Good for Jason Apolonio. Just with numbers, but even with wins with that kind of a shooting.
Actually, yung number of, see this bucket right here for Bulacan Cuyas. The number of participants this season in the All-Star for the three-point shootout, I think 17 is, I don't know, maybe a record of sorts in the number of participants. This Friday, bukas natin malalaman.
Bukas,
tama
coach,
ba? Bukas. Oo. Kasi nagkwento na sa akin dyan si Derek Freddy. Alam niya ata niya kung ano mangyayari.
Secured by Jason Apolonio. Apolonio attacks early. No space. Almost a steal from behind. They go corner. Emetrio. Straight line and in. Son. Well defended.
Oh, wow.
Apreku battles it out for the rebound and gets the 2.
Sipag talagang kumuha ng rebound.
Herald has not made a triple here in the ballgame. Naibe goes corner. Pastoran. The CSB connection is good.